Hello, good evening, students. So here we have another topic ready for you. This is Sankalp series of English. So as you know, this is your timetable for the whole week. On Monday you'll be having static GK, Tuesday English, Wednesday static GK, Thursday static GK, Friday maths, Saturday static GK, and Sunday maths. Okay. Students, I would like to inform all of you that Geometry School has started giving live classes for RIMC, RMS, AISSEE, GNV exam preparation. If you want to know more about the details, the numbers are given below. You can contact on any of the number. So today we will be discussing some phrasal verbs and some synonyms. Okay, बहुत रेगुलरली आने वाले synonyms और phrasal verbs हैं, so please pay attention while during the lecture. Okay, now first of all what you have to do is choose appropriate phrasal verbs from the following options. The first one is she is dash the bank loan for her higher studies. She is dash the bank loan for her higher studies. What are the options? Banking on, banking away, banking off, banking up. ठीक है, क्या ऑप्शन है? What is the right answer? Please tell me everybody. The right answer is banking up. What is the right answer? The right answer is banking up. Banking up का reason क्या? What is the meaning? To make something into a pile. To make something into a pile. ठीक है, मतलब कि वो क्या कर रही थी, वो अपनी क्या बोलते हैं, अपने पैसे इकट्ठा कर रही थी. शी वॉज कलेक्टिंग द मनी so that she can pay us for her studies. ठीक है. Moving on to next phrasal verb. Modern researchers dash that yoga cures diseases. Modern researchers dash that yoga cures diseases. What is the right answer? The right answer is bear out. Bear out means to confirm. Modern research ने क्या confirm किया? That yoga cures diseases. Okay. Now third, many people dash to God for help rather than to thank Him. Many people dash to God for help rather than to thank Him. What is the right answer? The right answer is call on. Means make someone as a source of help. ठीक है. So students, if you are not comfortable with online classes, Geometry School has started giving physical classes as well. We have started our hostel facilities in which the admissions are open. So the facilities for both boys and girls will be getting proper accommodations. In order to know more about the hostel facilities and the admission process, please call on the details. And the best part of our system is that we are charging you 10,000 per month. For hosteliers, we are charging 10,000 per month. We are not taking the whole fees together, but we are taking in installments of rupees 10,000 per month. Okay. So it's the best opportunity for you to prepare in physical classes. Please join hostel batch as fast as you can. The next question of today's class is, the police was called in to dash the rioters. The police was called in to dash the rioters. What is the right answer? The right answer is broke up. To stop somebody. ठीक है. Moving on to the next question. I was dash when I topped the merit list. I was dash when I topped the merit list. What is the right answer? The right answer is taken aback. Taken aback मतलब होता है सरप्राइज. ठीक है. मैं सरप्राइज हो गया जब मैंने देखा कि मेरिट लिस्ट पर मेरा टॉप पर नाम है. ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट. He is dash trouble if he quarrels with the house owner. He is dash trouble if he quarrels with the house owner. What is the right answer? Asking for मतलब वो इनवाइट कर रहा है. अगर दूसरों से लड़ाई करेगा तो वो किस चीज़ का इनविटेशन दे रहा है? ट्रबल का इनविटेशन दे रहा है. ही इज आस्किंग फॉर ट्रबल इफ ही क्वेरल्स विद द हाउस ओनर. ओके ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन? आस्किंग फॉर. Now there is a good news for students who are preparing for Sainik School entrance examination. The school, Geometry School has started Ashoka batch for students who are preparing for Sainik exam for class 9 and who is targeting January 2023 session. The batch is going to start from 15th of July. Do enroll yourself as fast as you can because the seats are very limited. Coming back to the next part of the class, choose the synonym of the underlined word. You have to choose the synonym. What is the question? His fellow classmates laughed at his claustrophobia and often teased him by threatening to lock him in his room. His fellow classmates laughed at his claustrophobia and often teased him by threatening to lock him in his room. ठीक है, claustrophobia. What is the meaning of claustrophobia? Please answer everybody. क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिया मीन्स फियर ऑफ क्लोज स्पेसेस. जब हमें किसी भी क्लोज स्पेस से हमें डर होता है किसी भी क्लोज स्पेस का, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? फियर ऑफ क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिया. ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, देयर इज ऑल्सो गुड न्यूज फॉर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर सैनिक स्कूल एग्जाम क्लास 6. द स्कूल हैज स्टार्टेड परमवीर बैच 2.0 and the batch is going to start from 15th of July. So if you people are really interested for Sainik School entrance examination, do enroll yourself in the batch. In order to get the more details, please visit the website or you can call on the numbers which are given below. Next question. Only one whose character is impeccable can rise to be a model leader of mankind. What is the meaning of impeccable? इम्पेकेबल मीन्स क्या होता है? प्लीज टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑफ. बहुत जनरल सिनोनिम्स हैं ये और ये क्वेश्चन में रिपीट होते हैं, तो प्लीज बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हाइल प्रिपेयरिंग देम. ठीक है, एक ना एक तो 110% फॉर श्योर आपका इनमें से रिपीट होगा. ओनली वन हुज कैरेक्टर इज इम्पेकेबल कैन राइज टू बी अ मॉडल लीडर ऑफ मैनकाइंड. व्हाट इज इम्पेकेबल मीनिंग? इम्पेकेबल मीनिंग फॉल्टलेस, जिसमें किसी भी तरह का कोई फॉल्ट नहीं होता. The spacemen of the Apollo-Soyuz joint flight sailed together in a spirit of camaraderie. Please answer me this. Everybody answer the question, everybody. The spacemen of the Apollo-Soyuz joint flight sailed together in a spirit of camaraderie. What is the meaning of camaraderie? Means friendliness. What is the meaning? Friendliness. Good news for students who are preparing for RIMC and targeting December 2022 session. The Geometry School has started Foundation Batch 2.0. Do enroll yourself in the batch. The classes have been already started. So if you want to prepare seriously, please enroll in this batch today itself. His illness a few days before the examination jeopardized his chances of securing first position. His illness a few days before the examination jeopardized his chances of securing first position. What is the meaning of jeopardize? Jeopardize means put in danger. Put in danger. First position आने में difficulty होगी. It is preposterous on your part to look for a job without first completing your education. It is preposterous on your part to look for a job without first completing your education. What is the meaning of preposterous? Absurd, just a waste of time. Education complete करा नहीं है और job के लिए निकले हैं. So it is just a waste of time. Okay students? So these were today we have discussed 5 phrasal verbs and 5 synonyms. Please do learn them, do understand them. 110% out of these 10, one question will definitely come in your exam. Students, if you have not subscribed Geometry School channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. And hit this bell icon to get all the important notification related to your exam. Okay students, thank you for watching the video. Till then, keep revising and keep waiting for the next class.